Hello RC Madheads, I'm out again with oldest friend who's already got his truck out. I'm also, you can hear Gobby in the background, I'm also out with RCDC. Nita, shh. Right now RCDC has got this lovely little warbird Spitfire. My plan today is to see if I can follow him RPV style with the DJI Neo. Let's give this a go.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Right, oldest friend is having a go. There's the Neo.
No, that's left.
Oh, he's crashed. Right, he's taking back off. Here they both come. They're both struggling against the wind. It's a bit breezy. They're flying into a headwind at the minute.
Oh, beautiful shot.
Oh, he's crashed it again. That was just a short video. We had a lot of fun chasing that plane around. I totally recommend it. If you've never done it, use your Neo FPV mode to chase a friend flying a remote control plane. It's a lot of fun. A little bit breezy here for it today, but as I say, still a lot of fun. All right, catch you later. Take care.